Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Ethereum developers debate over removing EOF from Fusaka, Gitcoin winds down its grants stack, and client teams release Pectra-ready mainnet client versions. All this and more starts right now. Ethereum community members are pushing back against including EVM object format or EOF in the Fusaka upgrade due to concerns such as added complexity. EOF is a set of 12 EIPs aimed at improving EVM bytecode validation through an opt-in container. Major libraries like those from Solidity, OpenZeppelin, and Uniswap would need to be rewritten to support EOF. Opponents include Paradigm CTO Gregorios Konstantinopoulos, who despite his earlier support now advocates for EIP 7912 instead, a proposal that introduces deeper stack operations. Curve Finance founder Michael Igorov also argued that the positive impact of EOF is smaller than the cost of getting it to production ready from its current state. Ethereum developers are expected to make a final decision on Monday's interop call, where they will revise the scope or fully remove EOF from the Fusaka upgrade. Gitcoin is winding down its Grants Stack technology and the related Grants Labs business unit by the end of May 2025. Gitcoin cited financial reasons, with Grants Labs generating approximately $1 million per year in revenue while incurring around $3 million per year in expenses. Gitcoin will provide transitional support to partners currently relying on Grants Stack technology. Looking ahead, Gitcoin will refocus on evolving the Gitcoin Grants program, enhancing GTC governance, and deepening its commitment to the Ethereum ecosystem and community. According to Gitcoin founder Kevin Owocki, the quarterly grants rounds are expected to continue being funded potentially through 2029. And lastly, client teams have released production-ready software versions with support for the Pectra upgrade on mainnet, scheduled to go live on May 7th at 10:05 UTC during Epoch 364032. Ethereum node operators must update both of their execution layer and consensus layer clients to the latest versions before the activation. Pectra introduces 11 core EIPs with major improvements to account abstraction, validator, user experience, and blob scaling. A Pectra watch party is scheduled to go live on the Ethereum YouTube channel 45 minutes before the fork. In other news, Solidity releases the results of its developer survey, and Succinct introduces V-Apps. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.